this video, we'll have a look on how to select rows in a data frame. We'll look at two examples. So first, we'll have our data frame with country, continent, and this is just some number. I couldn't come up with something better. So this is it. First thing, we want to select a row or all the rows where the continent is Europe. So we'll type df.loc, and in there we'll type df select the continent column, and then just type Europe. And we have it, all the rows where the continent equals Europe. Obviously, we can also negate that and select all the rows where the continent is not Europe. We basically use the same thing, so we'll just copy this down and put an exclamation mark here, and now it's the other way around. Next thing would be selecting rows whose column value matches items in a list. So for example, we want to see all the rows where sum num is 2 and 1. This looks very similar. Again, we use df.loc. We select the column sum num, and then we use the function isIn, and we put our list of numbers we want to select in there. Let it run, and we have only the rows with sum num 2 and 1. Again, we can also do the opposite of that, and to negate the isIn function, we'll just type a tilde sign in front, and that should give us all the ones where the sum num is not 2 and 1, 4 and 5. You can check. Perfect, just as we expected. I hope this helped. See you next time.